Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to send a Google prompt. So let's have a look now. Start by opening the Google prompt you want to send. In the prompt editor, click on the Send button. From this option, you can choose how you want to share the prompt, via email, a link, or through social media. Depending on the method you choose, either copy the link or send the email to start collecting response. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.